Have you ever wondered why some families stay rich for centuries while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? The difference isn't luck or intelligence. It's a system that most people never learn. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how to build generational wealth from scratch, even if you're starting with nothing. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to take back control of your money, hit subscribe right now. Join a community of people just like you, building wealth one smart decision at a time. And don't forget to like this video so more people in our situation can finally find some hope. Here's what blows my mind. The average millionaire loses their wealth within 2 generations. But families like the Rothschilds, Rockefellers, and Vanderbilts have maintained massive wealth for over a century. They figured out something that most people miss entirely. It's not about making money once. It's about creating a machine that keeps producing wealth long after you're gone. Let me start with the biggest mistake I see people make. They think generational wealth means leaving their kids a fat bank account. Wrong. Money disappears fast. What you really want to build is a system of assets, knowledge, and connections that keeps generating wealth automatically. Think of it like planting an oak tree instead of giving someone an apple. The foundation starts with your mindset shift. Most people work for money. Wealthy families make money work for them. This means every dollar you earn should have a job. Some dollars pay your bills. Some dollars buy assets that produce more dollars. And some dollars get invested in learning skills that make you more valuable. The key is knowing which dollars do what. Here's your first concrete step. Create what I call the Wealth Trinity. 1/3 of everything you make goes to living expenses. Keep this as low as possible without sacrificing your health or ability to earn. 1/3 goes into assets that produce income. This could be dividend stocks, rental properties, or even starting a business. The final third goes into appreciation assets like growth stocks, real estate, or investments in yourself through education and skills. But here's where most people stop, and it's why their wealth dies with them. They never teach their kids the game. Generational wealth isn't just about accumulating assets. It's about transferring knowledge. The most successful wealthy families have family meetings where they discuss money openly. Kids learn about investing before they learn to drive. They understand business principles before they understand dating. Now let's talk about the asset ladder strategy. You don't need millions to start. Begin with whatever you have. If it's $50 a month, start with index funds. As your income grows, move up the ladder. Real estate comes next because it gives you leverage and tax benefits. Then you can explore starting businesses or investing in other people's businesses. Each rung of the ladder should feed the next one. The secret weapon that wealthy families use is something called generational planning. While you're building wealth, you're also building structures to protect and transfer it. This means setting up trusts, teaching financial literacy to your children, and creating family investment policies. You want your wealth to survive divorces, bad decisions, and economic crashes. Quick pause. If this is helping you rethink your finances, go ahead and drop a comment below with your biggest money struggle. I read every single one, and your question might inspire my next video. And of course, hit that share button. Someone you know needs this today. Here's something most financial advisors won't tell you. The biggest threat to generational wealth isn't market crashes or inflation. It's unprepared heirs. Studies show that 90% of wealthy families lose their wealth by the 3rd generation. Why? Because the grandparents made money, the parents maintained it, but the grandchildren spent it. They never learned the skills and mindset that created the wealth in the first place. This is why education becomes your most important investment. Not just formal education, but financial education for your entire family. Create a family library of wealth-building books. Start investment clubs with your kids. Take them to real estate showings and business meetings when appropriate. Make money conversations normal, not taboo. The compound effect is your best friend here. Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after age 50. Why? Because compound interest needs time to work its magic. But compound interest works on more than money. It works on knowledge, relationships, and reputation too. Every skill you develop, every relationship you build, and every lesson you teach your kids compounds over generations. Let's get tactical about business ownership. This is often the fastest path to significant wealth. But for generational purposes, you want businesses that can run without you. Think systems and processes, not personal service. A restaurant chain can be passed down. A consulting business that depends on your personal expertise cannot. Always ask yourself, can this business create value without me? Real estate deserves special attention because it's historically been the foundation of generational wealth. Land and buildings last centuries when properly maintained. They provide rental income, tax advantages, and inflation protection. Start small with a duplex or small apartment building. Learn the business. Then scale up. The goal is to own assets that your great-grandchildren will thank you for. Here's your action plan. Start today with automating your Wealth Trinity. Set up automatic transfers so money flows to your expense account, income assets, and growth investments without you thinking about it. Open investment accounts if you haven't already. Begin your financial education with books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Millionaire Next Door. Most importantly, start talking to your family about money in positive, educational ways. Remember, generational wealth isn't built overnight, but every day you wait makes it harder. The families who master this don't just change their own lives. They change the trajectory of their entire bloodline for centuries to come. Your future generations are counting on the decisions you make today. What legacy will you choose to build? Don't let today's lesson just be good advice you forget tomorrow. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the tools that could change your financial future. Smash that like button, leave me a comment, and share this with a friend who's tired of being broke at 50. Let's build wealth together.